I have been doing origami since I was 14. That didn't help. I failed this attempt. For the longest time, I thought art was my passion. Then I realized it wasn't art, it was learning itself. Pencil sketch, 3D origami, expandable paper sculpture, pastel work, digital art, building a furniture, electronics, blockchain development, teaching stock market. Even in art, I never stuck to one thing. I always had to try something new. So I stopped fighting it. I'm Bharat Gowda. Every skill I learn and prove earns me a badge. One person, every skill, no finish line. No formal training, no perfect plans, just honest documentation. This is the Curiosity Project. Let's learn something new. Last week, Badge Inkster unlocked. This week, Badge Origamist level 1, 3 pieces, 1 sheet each, no glue, no tool, no second chance on a fold. My origami journey didn't start with a YouTube tutorial. I was 14. One of my school teachers introduced me to 3D origami. It was exam time. I should have been studying. I did not stop. I bought more paper. I did another piece and then PU happened. 2 years, my parents asked me to pause, put the paper down, concentrate on the studies. I understood. I did it, but I remember that feeling of having something you love sitting in a drawer waiting. The moment PU exams ended, it was like a dam broke. I didn't just pick origami back up, everything came back at once, all of it non stop for years. My parents never questioned it after that. They supported everything, every ambitious project, every material I needed. Every time I said, I want to try this thing I have never done before, they never doubted me once. That matters more than I probably have told them. Most people think origami is paper cranes, and it is at level 1. But origami has depth. Flat origami is geometry and patience. 3D modular origami is engineering. Origami portraits, that's a different world by itself. Today, level 1, 3 pieces, Swan, a dog and a Pegasus. 1 sheet each, this is badge condition. Flat origami, no tools, no glue, nothing but the paper and the folds. Level 2 and 3 are coming, but today we start here. Swan is where most people start. Clean geometry, logical progression. Each fold follows from the last one. 16 minutes, not because it's hard, because I'm not rushing. The Swan is also the Origamist badge logo. Clean, simple, earned. The dog is not harder, it's just longer. More folds, more steps, more places to go wrong. 55 minutes. The difference between the Swan and the dog isn't difficulty, it's patience. You have to hold the whole sequence in your head and trust that the early folds that don't make sense yet will make sense later. That's a skill by itself, trusting a process before you can see where it's going. Pegasus is different, not just more folds, different kinds of folds, finer, closer together. The paper needs to respond in a way that A4 75 GSM paper simply doesn't want to. 55 minutes in, I had to stop. I failed. It's not that I didn't know the folds, the paper wasn't the right one. I tried to force it anyway. Attempt 0 on anything always teaches you the same thing. Respect the material and the process. A3, same 75 GSM but bigger. Bigger folds, more room to work, slightly more forgiving, 1 hour, 20 minutes. And somewhere around the 40 minutes mark, you can feel it starting to take shape. My thumbs were done, but so was the Pegasus. Swan, a dog, and a Pegasus. 1 sheet each, different levels of difficulty, same principle, 1 fold at a time. Trust the process, don't force it. Level 1 done. Origami taught me something when I was 14 that I'm still using now. The fold you can't see the purpose of yet, make it anyway. Trust that it connects to something later. That's not just an origami advice. 1 badge unlocked, badge Origamist, level 1 complete. Next week, level 2, 3D origami, and the gap between what you just saw and what's coming, you're not ready for it. This is the Curiosity Project. I'm Bharat Gowda. I learn anything I want, earn a badge when I prove it, and document every step publicly. If that's something you want to follow, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next one.